my name's Sophie and welcome back to the 24MX Garage. Today I'll be reviewing the A9 All-in-One Spray. The A9 All-in-One Spray, a universal spray that provides a rust shield, lubricates threads, throttle handles, springs, foot pegs, you name it. It cleans and leaves a protective surface, repels water and drives out moisture from wheel bearings and plugs after washing, and it also improves contact for electrical components. You can purchase this product from www.24mx.com. Stay tuned to the 24MX Garage for more videos.